Got my boy Brando in here, my electrician. And he's finagling up some good stuff for us, y'all. He's gonna get us all hooked up with some lights.
You want one right here?
Yeah. That'd be for the TV. And this will be for the refrigerator and whatever.
How big is the fridge? A little bit?
Right here. Yeah, this size.
Like that high?
Now my damn chicken done jumped up here on the power wire. And I don't know how she's gonna get down. She looking worried about her. But hey, I got to see this for myself. I'll check in.
Chicken keep going in there. They think it's their new chicken. Daisy, Royal is trying to get in there again. He keeps. He keep fighting off the chickens. The chickens think that's their new bird house. That's the progress so far. The side still has to be done. Can't really see because of the trees.
Damn it.
What are you doing here?
I'm gonna cut out a 74-inch.
He went and got him a tool belt, y'all. Show him your tool belt. Show him your handy dandy tool belt.
Magnetic tool belt. Look at that.
He really thinks he's a contractor now.
Get my GC license.
And that goes up there. So that's Royal. She came over here thinking the door was open because she was going to jump in here. I closed the door, but she jumped up on the table. This little heifer here, let me see. She be running from Nino. As soon as he disappears, she'll be back. Trying to get her way back in the tiny home. One man crew right here. Mr. Get It Done.
said something. What?
I was wondering what that noise was. I heard a thumping. Sound like a truck or something.
You said a truck.
So it sound like, I don't know.
I know you're tired of the same old thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it. You got it.
Hey, what? Whoa.
Bye.